Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will learn about second part of MS Word 2007. Previous video, first part of MS Word 2007, learn about some points. First one, we want to recap first video of MS Word 2007. In the first video of MS Word 2007, we learn about what is MS Word 2007, how to add page number, bullet number, different types of bar like title bar, status bar, ribbon, etc. So in this video we will discuss of second part of MS Word. What is undo and redo? This is the very most important things in MS Word. What is undo and redo? You can quickly reverse most command you execute by using undo command. If you then change your mind again and want to reapply a command, you can use redo command. Those both command are easy way to mention in quick access tool bar. Undo and redo command. You see here a quick access toolbar where undo and redo command available. Some steps you follow for undo and redo command. First, type undo example. Click the undo button on the quick access menu. The typing disappear. Third, click on redo button. The typing reappear. It means when you suppose that you write something, if you feel this one is the wrong, then you click undo command. Your old writing come show here, and if you feel last one is the right, then you click the redo button, redo command. Some alternate methods use undo and redo command by using keyboard, by using key. Control plus J, the typing disappear. This is the undo command. Control plus Y, typing reappear. This is the redo command. Select undo examples. Control plus U to underline some important shortcut key which are used in MS Word. Control plus U to underline the word. Control plus Z, the underline is removed. Control plus Y, the underline reappears. Set the orientation. Orientation is the most important for, because sometimes our data is not suitable of one page, then we need to page orientation. Before you print your document, you may want to change the orientation of your page. There are two orientations you can use. First, portrait, and second, landscape. Paper such as paper size 8.5 by 11 is longer on one edge than it's on the other. If you print in portrait, the shortest edge of the paper becomes the top of the page. Portrait is the default option. If you print landscape, the longest edge of the paper becomes the top of the page. It means here the given figure of portrait and landscape example. But how to use these things means how to orientation of page. First one, you click the page layout option and click the orientation. When you click the orientation, there are two options, portrait and landscape. Also discussed previous slide, means what is portrait and what is landscape. So you can easily select and use it. Some steps here. Choose the page layout tabs, means how to perform a page orientation. choose the page layout tab, click orientation in the page setup group, a menu appears. Click portrait, what set your page orientation to portrait or landscape according to your need. Set the page size. This is the most important. When you write any articles, any applications, even examination paper, then sometimes need a paper size, because after one page completed, some lines, one or two lines move the second page. Then we can easy way to manage two lines become a one single page. So we need a page setter. Same process here, three process show here. Click the page layout, second page, click the page setup, and there one window appear, and you select according to your need. This like legal, A4 size paper, A3 size paper according to need. Means here the page setup steps. Choose the page layout tab, click size in the page setup group, a menu appears, click letter 8.5 cross 11 in Word, set your page size. I mean, there are so many different types of page letters, A4 size, A3. You select any one according to your need. Save documents, because when you write any application, any paragraph on MS Word, we need to save our document. So save our document, do this, follow the steps. Find the file menu, click on it and save on the file. Here the show here figure. First one, click the file menu, then click save option. You can also use a shortcut key Ctrl+S for saving your document. When you click the save option, save dialog box appear on your screen. Look like your figure, save dialog. Word will ask you where to save the file. First one, here computer asks where you save your file, means in which location you want to save your file. Best place, my documents, yeah, anyone according to your needs, you know very well. According where you easy way to access. It means location means where you easy way to access, find out. And choose the name of the file, means what you want to write, a type of a file name. Then after that, click the save button and your file, your document save. You can insert a table in your document by clicking on the table button. Means if you sometimes need to create a table, then you easy way to create a table on MS Word software. Here very easy process. First one, you click the insert button, insert tab, then go to table option, and just like figure, insert table window appear. You can enter number of row and number of column, and then click OK. Then your table show on your MS Word document. You can also insert images in MS Word document. You should also insert pictures, photos and clip art in your documents. Same process, means first one you click the insert tab, then go to clip art and you write the picture's name if you want. For example, suppose that you want to flower, then you write the flower, and when you click OK, there are so many flower of figures show on your screen. You select according to your choice. To insert picture or clip art, you should click on the insert button. Means here clip art from file. Means clip art already inbuilt some pictures of MS Word, and from file option means you select your photo, image or picture from your computer or laptop through from file option. You can use different formatting tools when creating the following. Means there MS Word provide different types of tools when you create any document. For example, school papers, class newspapers, resumes. Through this MS Word, you create such type of activity. You create such type of document. You can use table in your document for the following: school presentations, making calendars, help with maths, anyone give the links. This is the use of MS Word. You can also create through MS Word software. You can make fun birthday cards, or you can write a book application. Student, you understand through the practical. Write any words just like Pakistan is Islamic country. Uh, Control plus C for copy and Control plus D for paste. When you copy one times, you paste according to your need 2, 3 and more times. And you select through a mouse, yeah, a shortcut key Control plus A, and you change the font style according to your need. There are so many font style in MS Word. You change according to your requirement. You see here different type of font styles, and you select any word or sentence, and for bold you click the B symbol of a home tab. The word is not in bold, and select any words or sentence, and when you click the I for italic, you select the any word or sentence and click for U for underline. You also use these things through shortcut key Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus U. U means bold and underline. You select any words and change the color of the word from here. You see this video. There are so many colors according when you need. Then you change the color of the word or sentence. You select any word and change the font size. Means maximum 72 font size. You change minimum 8. You change any font size 10, 12, 24, 30 according to your requirement. You see here in this video. You better understand through this practice. Thank you. Thank you very much.